Should I take the cameraman's mom to Subway? Anything over $5 is a no. What? Oh, hey! Okay, today, well, wow. Okay, so today we are covering bold and italic elements within HTML. Let's get started. Well, what do we got on the screen? Okay, open up your Visual Studio Code or any editor that you would like. Make it fix the light. And I have two paragraph tags. I have the first one on line number 10, and I've got the second paragraph, how to eat the cameraman's mother's food without throwing up at the table. All right, and the first one obviously is the how to ask the cameraman's mom out on a date. So 2 sentences, perfect. Let's use bold and italic, keep it short, simple, and sweet. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is actually just pick any word that we want. So I'll go to the little line number 10 and we are going to bold. And again, this is just simply with HTML, no CSS or just pure HTML. Let's actually use the bold element. So it's going to be B and with a closing B. And I will take the word mom and just kind of paste it right in there. And we'll look on the screen to the right. And there we go. So here, if you can take a look on the browser to the right, we have mom, which is now in bold. All right, so that is simple as it gets for trying to bold any type of text. And now we're going to take the word food and let's italicize that. So let's use the I element here. And you know what we'll do? We'll take food and without. Let's do that. I'll cut that by using Control X or Command X, and I'll paste that. And now if we take a look, so we have bold is mom with the bold, and for food without is now italicized. So that was definitely a short one. Again, you're just trying to add to your HTML utility belt. Subscribe so you can definitely know when the next videos are actually it should show up in your video feed. So you definitely want to subscribe and of course add the the notifications. So make sure you're getting the actual notifications. Let me know if you're not. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. All right, stack out.